created to be a symbol of our freedom to hope, to excel, and to be. The Emancipation Park was opened in 2002. Viewers and subscribers, greetings. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. And if this is your first time, welcome. Alright, so please stick and stay as I explore the Emancipation Park here in the busy district of New Kingston. This area is very nice and quiet, however, so it's a great place to come and relax and enjoy nature. Alright, so let's have a look around the Emancipation Park. Quite a few signs here. Let's see what they're saying. So actually the Emancipation Park is a popular spot for persons to come and take wedding photos. So now that they see that as a opportunity to make some income, they're actually charging persons to do that now. And there's also a jogging track where you can come and jog or walk, you know, just to have a nice quiet stroll. The opening hours for the Emancipation Park: Mondays to Thursdays 5 to 11, Fridays to Sundays 5 to midnight. This may not always be the case though, sometimes they have special events. This is the start of the jogging track, and it goes all the way around. All the way around. To here. 500 meters. Alright, so now let's have a look around and see some of the trees and plants we can see at the Emancipation Park. These botanical names are always so long. This is the pink pui. Pink pui. Not much blooming going on right now though, but still a magnificent tree. This is what the pink pui at Emancipation Park looks like. Who remembers this game? Comment in the comment section if you know what game this is. So definitely something here for everybody. Kids and kids at heart. There's also a fitness zone donated by the China Harbor Engineering Company. Man, the Chinese have been doing some work here in Jamaica for sure. No need to go to a gym, right? can just come here and get a workout on. And this is the Jamaican national tree. So there's also a wide variety of palm trees here. Royal palm. Getting some royal treatment. There is also a space dedicated to the memory of the national heroes of Jamaica. Jamaica's national flower. It's actually blooming. Right across the road from the Emancipation Park is this ice cream shop. Really good ice cream. There's also the Marriott Courtyard, which is pretty close, right across the road from the Emancipation Park. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We've come to the end. I want to thank you so much for watching it, and let me know in the comment section if you would actually visit the Emancipation Park. Other than that, please subscribe if you haven't, click the subscription bell, leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.